guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty, and I'm back at again another video. As you can see, I am wearing a different color. This is the first time I'm wearing 613 blonde hair. This hair was sent to me by Elva Hair, if that's the way you say the name. But yeah, that's what they sent me. They sent me a 14-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. Like, this hair is beautiful. I went ahead and I dyed the roots like an ash blonde kind of color, but not too dark because I wanted it to be kind of light. As you can see, I'm now going in and measuring my head where I want my ear tabs to fall. Oh my god, my ear tabs to fall. And then once I finish doing that, I'm gonna cut off the excess lace that is around the hair and start the gluing process. So now I'm going to take my makeup brush and my powder and I'm going to darken the lace a little bit so that it matches my skin color. So now I'm just cleaning my forehead with rubbing alcohol. I'm taking away all that natural oils, the excess like oils and I don't know, makeup, residue, whatever it is that can be on my forehead. I'm taking away all that so that my forehead is nice and clean and ready for the preparation. Now I'm going to take my Skin Protect and I'm going to spray it onto my head. Then I'm going to blow dry that so it is completely dry. Then I'm going to start the gluing process of using the lace glue, and after that, the whole installation.
Live produced it. Live produced it.
So guys, I am going to speed the rest of this video up and I will slow it down when I get to the finished look. But I hope you guys just enjoy this video. This was literally a very easy installation. The hair works very well. The hair dyed very well. You know, and also it's 613 hair, so I was very shocked that there was little to no shedding. I didn't have any shedding experience like that. The hair curled very well. As you can see, I curled the ends, and I'm going to show you the finished look. I also decided to layer the front bit of the hair to give it that more volume, if you know what I mean. But I'll show you the finished look right now. Here is the finished look with my makeup done, my hair slayed, my everything. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll link everything in the description bar below, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and join the gang. Peace.